Hello students, once again I welcome you all to another session. Yesterday there was a power cut in my house. We waited for a long time but the power did not come. So we all were feeling bored. Slowly after some time all our family members joined together and started having fun. We played different games, we had a good conversation between us. So really we had a wonderful time during the power cut. Hope you also might have experienced the same, right? Now look at the sky, children. We see so many stars in the sky at night. Most of them seem to twinkle while the others shine with a steady light. The movement of air in the atmosphere of the earth causes the star light to get slightly bent as it travels from the distant star through the atmosphere down to us on the ground. This means that some of the light reaches us directly and some gets bent slightly away. For us, this makes the star seem to twinkle. In our textbook, we have a wonderful poem. Chapter number 12, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Now, let us read some new words and their meanings. Harsh, too bright. Thoughts, things that you think about. Cease, end. Peace, calm and quiet. Now let us learn something about the poet Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, born on 19th May in the year 1934, is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landour in Missouri. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra for his published work in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Are you all ready to revise the mind map? Let's get started. Don't be afraid of the dark. Here, the poet is talking to the little one. Little one, don't be afraid. It's for you also. The earth must rest after a long day. So during night time, what is the poet telling here? The earth must rest after a long day of hard work. During the night, the beautiful things to see is the moonlight and the stars shining. The poet also says that be friendly with the night. Don't be afraid of the dark. So even your parents might be telling you, so during night time, pray to God well, have good thoughts so that you can have a peaceful sleep. During the night, the world is at peace. So everybody sleeps during the night time. So you can have a peaceful sleep. Now let us do the poem recitation. Page number 102 in your textbook. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. So here you can find out the rhyming words, right? One, done, never, ever, fear, near, cease, peace. So this poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay children, I have a question for you. Do you think our troubles really end at night? Think and give me the answer. Hope you understood the poem. Thank you.